I'm Anil Kumar, and in this particular video we will try to understand how to evaluate algebraic expressions. Now this is part 3 and we'll consider fractions in this particular video. So let us take examples as 2 over 3x plus 1 over 3y, right? So let this be an expression where x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 4. You need to evaluate the value of this expression, right? So that is one of the questions. And then we have equation as half of x minus 1/4 of y, where x is equals to, let us say, 3 and y is equals to 5. So that is your question. You need to evaluate these algebraic expressions. Now these have fractions involved. So we'll practice how to evaluate algebraic expressions with fractions. You can pause the video, copy the question, and then solve. Okay, here is my solution. So what we will do here is, when we are evaluating these expressions, we'll substitute the value. So 2 over 3x, x is 6. So we'll write this as 2 over 3 and x is 6 plus 1 over 3, y value is 4, right? So we'll write 4 here. Now we can actually simplify this and then do the needful. As you can see, we already have common denominator. So in such cases, what we should do is, first we should add the numerators and then simplify. So we have a common denominator. Let me write this as equal to 3. So I'm not really simplifying it. I'm writing 3 as my common denominator, and the numerator is 6 times 2 as 12 plus 4, right? So what I get here is 12 plus 4 as 16 divided by 3. So that is my solution. You could write this as mixed number. 3 goes 5 times in 15, remainder is 1, 5 1 over 3. That could be one answer. Alternate way of doing such questions is, let me write on the right side. We could take 1 over 3 common, right? So we have 1 over 3 common factor. So what we get here is 2x plus y. 2x plus y. Now let us substitute 6 for x and 4 for y. So we get this as equals to 1 over 3 and 2 times 6 plus 4, right? So we get this as equals to 1 over 3, 2 times 6 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, right? So we get the same answer, 16 over 3. So that's an alternate way of doing the same question. Okay, let's do the next one now. Here x is 3, y is 5, and we are given half of x minus 1 over 4y. Let us substitute 3 for x. What do we get? We get half of 3, right? Minus 1 over 4, y is 5. Now, to make common denominator, I have to multiply this by 2, right? Then we get common denominator. So I'll do 2 over 2, right? Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. So we get 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 6 over 4 minus, this is 5 over 4. And that gives us equal to 6 minus 5 is 1. So we get 1 over 4 as our answer, right? So that is how you can actually work with algebraic expressions when we have fractions involved. Now here are a few practice questions for you. So let us say you have 2 over 5x minus y, where x is equals to, let us say, 6 and y is equals to 3. Another question for you is 1 over 2x plus 3 over 4y, where x is equals to 4 and y equals to 5, right? So try to practice with some fractions and then we'll move on to next level. Thank you and all the best.